some Arab brothers, when they study the Jamaat's teachings and ideologies, they ask, why doesn't the Jamaat plan, or why doesn't the Jamaat want to establish the Islamic State as such, as they call it, when many countries or countries as a whole join the Jamaat in the future?
In fact, we are moving towards establishing a series of Islamic states, inshallah, the truly Islamic, which according to the model of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and the Quranic teaching has to be secular. It is a false expression spread by extremist mullahs. This Islamic State is rigid in Islamic ideology, and its subjects are differentiated between different non-Muslim sects, etc. This is totally wrong. As far as the dispensation of government is concerned, Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam dispensed the government, because he was in charge of the government at Medina, with absolute justice. Jews, Christians, Muslims, even idolaters, no difference was made. So I hope, inshallah, in near future, Ahmadiyyat will spread in some African countries, particularly very rapidly, where we have already gained almost 50% of the populations. So once the balance is tilted towards the second half, then generally it happens with a collapse. Suddenly the whole country falls into the lap. So I'm hoping, inshallah, within our sight, that some countries will become truly Muslim states, and will dispense perfect justice to every citizen, regardless of race, creed, religion, etc.